To activate your American Express gift card, follow these simple steps. First, locate the gift card and find the serial number, expiration date, and security code, usually located on the back of the card. Next, visit the American Express website at americanexpress.com and navigate to the gift card section. Click on the Activate Card option and enter the required details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You will also be prompted to create a 4-digit PIN, which you will use to authorize transactions when you make purchases. Make sure to choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. After entering the required information, click Submit and wait for the confirmation message. Once your card is activated, you can start using it to make purchases online, in-store, or over the phone. When making a purchase, make sure to sign the receipt and provide your PIN if required. Also, keep track of your balance and transaction history by visiting the American Express website or by calling their customer service number. It is essential to note that American Express gift cards can only be used in the United States and at merchants that accept American Express. Also, be aware of any fees associated with the card, such as dormancy fees or replacement fees. To get the most out of your American Express gift card, make sure to use it within the expiration date and keep it in a safe place to avoid loss or theft. If you have any issues with your card, contact American Express customer service for assistance.